Let's face it, fellas. As we age, our bodies go through a myriad of changes. Some are welcome, like the wisdom and experience we gain, but others, not so much. Getting older is mandatory, but growing old gracefully is optional. It's all about how we choose to handle the inevitable changes. And nothing says getting old like worrying about your prostate. That small gland, often overlooked in our younger years, suddenly becomes a focal point of concern. It's that little gland most guys don't even think about until it starts acting up. But when it does, it can cause a lot of anxiety and discomfort. Suddenly, you're Googling frequent urination at 3 a.m., wondering if you should invest in adult diapers. The fear of the unknown can be overwhelming. Not exactly the stuff of rock star dreams, right? It's easy to feel frustrated and even a bit defeated. But here's the good news, you're not alone. Many men experience these issues, and there's a community out there that understands what you're going through. Millions of men face prostate issues, and there are things you can do about it. From lifestyle changes to medical treatments, there are options available. Want to know a secret weapon for a happy prostate? It's not just about medication or surgery. It's not a magic pill or a weird herbal tea. While supplements and herbal remedies can help, there's something even more effective. It's something far simpler and way cheaper. Meditation. Yes, you heard that right. Taking time to meditate can have profound effects on your prostate health. Meditation helps reduce stress, which is a major factor in many health issues, including prostate problems. By calming your mind, you can positively impact your body. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine can lead to better overall health. It's about creating a balance and finding peace within yourself. And remember, you're not in this alone. There are support groups and communities where you can share your experiences and learn from others. Educating yourself about prostate health is crucial. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to handle any issues that arise. Regular checkups with your doctor can help catch any problems early. Don't wait until symptoms become severe. Proactive care is key. A healthy diet and staying hydrated also play significant roles in maintaining prostate health. Eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a big difference. Physical activity is another important factor. Regular exercise helps keep your body in good shape and can reduce the risk of prostate issues. And don't forget to enjoy life. Laughter and hobbies can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. So while prostate worries might seem daunting, remember that there are many ways to manage and even prevent them. Stay informed, stay active, and stay positive. Embrace meditation, connect with others, and take charge of your health. Your prostate and your overall well-being will thank you. Because growing old gracefully is all about making the right choices now. Meditation? You might be thinking that's for tie-dye wearing hippies or guys who chant Om all day. But hold on a second. Meditation is like a mental workout for your brain. It's about finding a few minutes of peace in our crazy, always-on world. And the best part? It can seriously benefit your prostate health. Think of it like this. Meditation helps you chill out. And when you chill out, your body chills out too. This includes your prostate. Ready to learn how to turn your inner zen into a prostate-pleasing powerhouse? Let's dive in. Stress. It's the silent killer, the party pooper, the ultimate buzzkill for your body and mind. And guess what? Your prostate hates stress just as much as you do. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out hormones like cortisol. These stress hormones can wreak havoc on your prostate, leading to inflammation and other problems. Think of it like this. Stress puts your prostate in a headlock it can't escape from. Not cool, stress, not cool. Meditation, your inner chill pill. Here's where meditation swoops in to save the day, and your prostate. Meditation is like hitting the pause button on your stress response. When you meditate, you're training your mind to focus on the present moment, letting go of worries and anxieties. This in turn helps lower those pesky stress hormones that your prostate despises. Think of meditation as a mental massage for your entire system. It's about finding a sense of calm amidst the chaos, a quiet space where your prostate can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Science says meditation works. No, really. Okay, so it sounds good in theory, but does meditation work for prostate health? You might be wondering if sitting quietly and focusing on your breath can really make a difference. The answer is a resounding yes. Meditation isn't just a trendy wellness activity, it's backed by science. Studies have shown that men who practice meditation regularly experience improvements in prostate-related issues. This isn't just anecdotal evidence, it's been rigorously tested. They report less frequent urination, improved sleep, and a better overall quality of life. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, not having to rush to the bathroom multiple times a night, and enjoying a peaceful night's sleep. One study published in the Journal of Urology found that men who practiced mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, experienced significant reductions in prostate-specific antigen, PSA levels. This is a groundbreaking finding because PSA levels are often used as a marker for prostate health. High PSA levels can be a marker for prostate problems, so this is a big deal. Lowering PSA levels through meditation could mean fewer medical interventions and a more natural approach to managing prostate health. But how does meditation achieve these remarkable results? It all comes down to stress reduction. Chronic stress is known to exacerbate many health issues, including those related to the prostate. By practicing meditation, you can lower your stress levels, which in turn can have a positive impact on your prostate health. Meditation techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and guided imagery help activate the body's relaxation response. This reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol, which can negatively affect the prostate. Doctors and researchers are increasingly recognizing the benefits of incorporating meditation into treatment plans for prostate health. It's a complementary approach that can enhance traditional medical treatments. Many men have shared their success stories, reporting not only physical improvements but also emotional and mental well-being. Meditation offers a holistic approach to health, addressing both the mind and body. So if you're considering ways to improve your prostate health, why not give meditation a try? It's a simple, cost-effective, and scientifically supported method that can bring about significant benefits. Remember, your health is in your hands, and sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. Start your meditation journey today and experience the positive changes for yourself. Your prostate will thank you. Finding your Zen zone, meditation for beginners. Now, before you picture yourself sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop, chanting with Tibetan monks, unless that's your thing, then go for it. Know this: meditation can be super simple. It's not about achieving some mystical state or becoming a different person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. You don't need any fancy equipment, special clothes, or a guru to guide you. All you need is a little bit of time and a willingness to sit quietly with yourself. You can meditate anywhere, anytime, even on the toilet. We won't judge. The beauty of meditation is its flexibility. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, you can find your Zen zone. The key is to find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. This could be a corner of your bedroom, a spot in your garden, or even a cozy nook in your living room. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let go of any thoughts that pop into your mind. It's natural for your mind to wander, but gently bring your focus back to your breath each time it does. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you feel more comfortable. Even 5 minutes of meditation can make a significant difference in your day. As you continue to practice, you might notice changes in your mood, your stress levels, and even your overall outlook on life. Meditation can help you develop a deeper sense of calm and clarity. If you find it challenging to meditate on your own, consider joining a meditation group or using a meditation app. These resources can provide guidance and support as you develop your practice. You can also meditate with others, whether it's a family member, a friend, or even your pet. Sharing the experience can make it more enjoyable and help you stay committed to your practice. Experiment with different postures and settings to find what works best for you. Some people prefer sitting on a cushion, while others like lying down or even standing. You might also find it helpful to meditate with a candle or some soothing music. After your meditation session, take a moment to reflect on how you feel. You might want to jot down your thoughts in a journal or simply sit quietly and enjoy the sense of peace and relaxation. Remember, there's no right or wrong time to meditate. Some people prefer to meditate in the morning to start their day with a clear mind, while others find it helpful to meditate during a lunch break or before bed to unwind. The most important thing is to make meditation a regular part of your routine. With consistent practice, you'll likely find that it becomes easier and more enjoyable over time. So find your Zen zone, take a deep breath, and start your meditation journey today. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about finding a moment of peace in your busy day. Morning Mindful Minutes, starting your day right. Want to supercharge your prostate health and your entire day? Start your morning with a quick meditation session. Before you check your phone, grab your coffee, or start stressing about your to-do list, take a few minutes to breathe and be present. This sets a positive tone for the day and helps you handle whatever challenges come your way with a calmer, more centered mindset.